Igbe.
Bode Thomas. Hey.
No matter where you go.
What you talk? Okay, this song not be for Benin people. No matter where you go, make you not forget the road where lead you home. Not be for Benin person where pass through Libya, they go Europe. You know they come back. You know they come back. Hey, Abuja, let me celebrate my president, our footballer. But me not clap for them. Me not clap for them. Musa, say I don't dare touch here. You forget saying I'm from Jos, all of us there. And I not clap for her, beg. You are making us proud. You did it. The last time I saw you now for a while for London. Thank God. You see, as I call here, Koboko don't talk all the things I want to talk. Koboko don't finish everything I want to talk. This is the first time where person will talk everything within my mind. As I come here now, I just want to look now. Can't talk some way, you know. You know, say when you go event, they'll say vote of thanks on his behalf. Because almost all of them are there. And now they call all the shows with the performances. And all the shows with the perform now complain with the complain. And the country still remain like this. What do we want to do? Ladies, I beg, if you black, not draw tattoo. Because I don't know how you want to do. Tattoo is meant for people who are fair. From far, you gonna know what you draw. Whether na war gecko or whether na scorpion, you see from far. Oh, I love your tattoo. Black person go draw tattoo. You can say, when you come past near and say no to you, now you come the naka. No. It's not lizard though. It's scorpion. Because we not fit see and because it's fair. And another thing again. Day. You work at the right time. Money. Please put your hands together for the man that have always been supporting comedy. You are welcome, sir. God bless you. As you come and bless you, I can't go start again. No? Because I don't know whether I'm the one where I don't talk when before you come, I funny pass for all the ones who I go talk. Because we don't know where help they come from. I they ask, please, if you fair, try check if you want to draw tattoo, ladies. Check the places where you go draw this tattoo. Where you know say in the next 10, 15 years, they'll still know what you draw. How can you tell me say you go draw butterfly? Forget say after some years, stretch marks go they drag. You go draw butterfly, it go day like butterfly. After you born 3. When you don't hold, the butterfly will come turn vulture. Now you can't explain to your children, no, you can't try govern and back. No, it was butterfly. Meanwhile, the butterfly wing don't turn vulture. There are other things where they look again. Now only for my things they happen for this country. Your Excellency, sir. SDM. Sir, you are the best entertainer in this country. As far as I'm concerned. No, please, put your hands together for Dunum, please. Please. Now for this country, things don't bad this. You will want to take blind girl out. You go say, sorry, I'm seeing somebody else. I can't wonder which eye night is here. During good luck, during PDP time, things were flowing. Hands open. Nobody they come. No, people they who fear to go church. If I go church now before I close, I go to see another service for near my car. Give me. People go come line up. They ask for transport or this thing. During good luck time, in good luck they talk and they continue from where Koboko stop. They say sniper. They kill people. Sniper there since so. Those days for doing good luck time, nobody they die. I hear they say they won't buy sniper. Please, for heaven's sake, for crying out loud. Now sniper be the problem. I mean, you need to check what many people they take sniper. If you are buying this sniper, maybe say you go break down Tomila Bridge because people be they go jump. Or those days when they grow when they tie rope for Silifan. We go ban Silifan, they not make Silifan again. Because the thing tire me. Doing good luck time, I see one fine lady for Abuja here. If you see the Ferrari will draw for a back, they wear low cut. If you see the Ferrari, you know say money they flow. Fine Ferrari for back, people they appreciate her. I not see her throughout the President Buhari first tenure. Yesterday, yeah, now I for Gaki. The Ferrari don't talk keke na pep. Things don't hard. Things, you see, at the time, see, I'll be everybody where you see say they Europe. Hey, God, I better go. Before I even go that one first, make I talk. Dino, please, all the time I don't complain, you know they here. I need to complain for your front now. Please. This country, the last time they said they recover 84 billion from Abacha DC. Since we don't talk, how many will be for this country? No, I feel not make sense. How many will be? You see, I beg, if they no go agree share, because now our money they carry go keep there, so that they bring her for us. May they just give me my own share. I no go see me for this country again. I'll just go Cotonou. Or this thing goes, because if you check things, no, may you check her now. This country, please look at it. If you go abroad, you're the best for this country. I tell you, not the country. I'm sorry to say, no apology. If you travel out, you know, say, now there be country. You know why they call country? Because systems are working. Structures there. And when there is structure, there must be system. No, I can't be a comedian every year in, year out. You pay your buy table, you pay your 5,000, you come and laugh, you go, and the problem is still waiting outside. No, if you go, Nigeria, those places are country because structures there. But yeah, now get together. Nigeria, look, well, now gathering, where people gather. And when people gather, you don't know who gather. That's why we got herdsmen, we got bandits, we got everything. Because you don't know who gather. Please. Your Excellency, if it's possible, our first leaders, may they trace their grave. Everybody seated here today believe that if electricity trip for your house, who you call? Electrician. If you call electrician, what you go do? You go trace where the fault day. If you trace and go corridor, or you go trace and go to kitchen, then when you trace and go come check the length. You will say, okay, we'll buy 4 yards of wire. Because you don't trace some, go come fix them back. Please, may they check our first leaders then. They are all over, they are all of them. If they feel possible, or if they are not fit trace them, may not look for any of their grandchildren. So be now one of them picking day for Big Brother, so may not go come out and there. So may go show us the Papa grave. If you feel wake, Papa say, please, because now only way you feel trace what happen. Now if you get solution, make we wake them. Say, please, where una spoil this country? So from there, now we'll fit trace. If not, we don't fit do anything. Because if you check this, if you go out, you're the verse. Now, I go, see, not be everybody where they Europe. They enjoy you. Now transport, they not get to come back. They're plenty. I jam one guy for Denmark. He tell me, say, I will never come back to Nigeria. Saying the small money way in Ghana, I don't take and buy grave for there. Now that time I know say they buy grave for there. Say made they bury her. Now they give me one babe. Guess here, when I know they make sound. When I know they talk. As they give me the babe, from back, I they play my music. You know, tonight here they say, oh come on. Call my name. Call my name. What's my name? I don't know girl name. Meanwhile, if not the way Nigeria be, once you carry a girl like that, you know they say call my name because you already know you walk. As we go abroad, the guy they say, with sweet voice, so call my name, baby. Call my name. Now I say, oh my God, which kind of name I won't call this girl now? Which kind of name? He said, call my name. And the way she they talk, it's very sexy. Call my name, baby. Now I say, Ashawo. You know, they not be there. Now I say, oh, spank me, baby. Hi. Spank me, baby. Where I want to start the spanking for? If they hammer the thing, spank me, baby. Baby, spank me. Now I raise up my hand. When they look the hand where I carry come from Nigeria. As they say, spank me, baby. Now I say, baby, if I spank you, una hospital go collect money from you. He says, Jesus, spank me, baby. Spank me as it is the apple. Spank me. Now look at, I couldn't take all the problem where they happen for Nigeria. Boko Haram, Ruga, Kosa and Bisola, everything. Senator will slap person for test for sex store. I just take everything. Just think insecurity, everything now lack of well. Now he shout, says Jesus. Now say, now you speak. He said yes, now because I bleach. I don't know yes, it's Shagari time. I said I don't get away on the yes. Time not a good night, Abuja. Thank you very much.
Igbe.